Welcome to Auto Drive, your #1 destination for in-depth car reviews, latest model updates, and everything on wheels. Before we get into the detailed review of the 2026 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest automotive content. Stay with us until the end of the video for a complete breakdown of all trims, features, and upgrades that make the 2026 Karmann Ghia stand out in today's competitive market. Now let's get right into the 2026 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia, a unique blend of modern technology, classic design touches, and performance-focused engineering. This car continues Volkswagen's legacy of blending elegance with efficiency and functionality. It comes in multiple trims catering to a wide range of preferences, from entry-level comfort to top-tier luxury and sport-oriented options. Under the hood, the 2026 Karmann Ghia offers a range of powertrains. Depending on the selected trim, it is available with either a turbocharged inline-4 or a more robust V6 engine. The base engine delivers solid horsepower for everyday use, while the V6 offers higher torque and a more thrilling performance for those who want an extra edge on the road. Engine displacement ranges between 1.8 and 3.0 liters depending on the variant, providing efficient fuel consumption alongside spirited driving dynamics. The transmission options include both a smooth shifting 8-speed automatic and a sportier 6-speed manual for driving purists. Volkswagen has made sure to cater to all driving preferences with both front-wheel drive and all-wheel drive configurations available. The AWD system on the higher trims ensures better grip and handling in challenging road conditions, making it not just a stylish vehicle but a capable one as well. Inside the cabin, the 2026 Karmann Ghia provides a premium experience. It comfortably seats 4 to 5 passengers depending on the configuration. Buyers can choose from high-quality cloth upholstery in base trims or upgrade to premium leather in higher trims. Additional touches like contrast stitching and ambient lighting add to the upscale feel. Heated and cooled seats, power-adjustable front seats, and dual-zone automatic climate control are standard in mid to top-tier trims, enhancing comfort no matter the season. The exterior maintains a sleek coupe-inspired silhouette that remains true to the Karmann design heritage. The car's proportions are carefully balanced, offering a low, wide stance that looks sporty yet elegant. The overall length, width, and height give it a compact yet aggressive look, while a longer wheelbase improves both interior space and ride comfort. Special attention is given to details like LED headlights, taillights, and aerodynamic body lines that not only look great but also improve fuel efficiency. Volkswagen has equipped the 2026 Karmann Ghia with an advanced suspension setup. Most trims come with an independent suspension system which ensures a smooth and balanced ride. Sport trims may offer a sport-tuned suspension and upgraded shocks to enhance handling performance. Steering feels precise and controlled, thanks to a rack and pinion electric steering system that responds well at both low and high speeds. Braking performance is handled by ventilated disc brakes on all 4 wheels in most trims. Brake sizes vary depending on the powertrain and trim level, ensuring optimal stopping power for all variants. Advanced brake assist technologies are also standard across the lineup for improved safety and control. Safety is another area where the 2026 Karmann Ghia shines. All models come equipped with front, side, and curtain airbags. Volkswagen's signature safety suite includes electronic stability control, an anti-lock braking system, and optional features like blind spot monitoring, adaptive cruise control, and automatic emergency braking. These features not only offer peace of mind but also contribute to a safer driving experience. The infotainment system in the Karmann Ghia is both intuitive and feature-rich. A responsive touchscreen display is standard, supporting both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Most trims come with a premium sound system, satellite radio, and Bluetooth connectivity. Higher trims also include an inbuilt navigation system with real-time traffic updates and voice control for added convenience. USB-C ports, wireless charging, and Wi-Fi hotspot capability are also part of the package in mid to high-level trims. Convenience features are where this car really makes everyday driving a joy. Power windows and door locks, keyless entry, push-button start, and remote engine start are either standard or available depending on the trim. A panoramic sunroof and power folding mirrors add to the list of modern amenities. Cruise control comes standard, while adaptive cruise control is available on higher trims for enhanced highway driving comfort. Some trims also offer optional luxury features such as wood trim accents, chrome detailing, and exclusive paint finishes. Special editions of the 2026 Karmann Ghia might include upgraded wheels, blacked-out exterior styling, or commemorative badging to celebrate Volkswagen's design legacy. Performance packages may include a sport-tuned suspension, larger wheels, and a dual exhaust setup for a more aggressive driving experience. If you're considering buying the 2026 Karmann Ghia, it's worth mentioning that the model comes in multiple trims including a base variant, a mid-level comfort edition, and a top-end GT or R-line variant that focuses on performance and sporty aesthetics. Pricing is expected to start around $32,000 for the base model and can go up to nearly $46,000 for the fully loaded performance variant. As always, pricing may vary depending on region, taxes, and optional packages selected. What makes the 2026 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia truly unique is the way it merges vintage-inspired styling with cutting-edge automotive technology. It's a car that doesn't compromise, it delivers performance, elegance, and safety in one refined package. Whether you're driving it through city streets or cruising on the open highway, this vehicle offers an exceptional level of comfort, control, and style. So, if you're in the market for a car that stands out in both design and performance, the 2026 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia deserves your attention. Don't forget to check out all trim options and optional packages before making your final decision. We hope this video helped you understand the ins and outs of this stylish and capable model. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, remember to subscribe to Auto Drive. We bring you regular reviews, comparisons, and exclusive looks at the newest models hitting the market. Your support helps us grow and allows us to keep delivering high-quality automotive content. Hit that like button, share with your car-loving friends, and drop a comment below to let us know what you think about the 2026 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next drive.